Last week, Google fired over 100 people because of AI. These were all entry to mid-level roles, so they're putting all the grunt work on the senior designers now to fill those roles in whatever way they can, probably with AI. What does this mean for the future of designers, especially when we see all of these layoffs happening across the tech world? It honestly feels like no one is safe. Personally, I think that in the coming years, what it means to be a designer will change, and the role of a designer itself is ever evolving. What it was like to be a designer 10 years ago is not the same as what it's like now. Because of how quickly the tools have evolved, the scope has shifted so much. Like back in the day, a designer's role was to design the thing. Now it involves research, strategy, sometimes development, not to mention all the different interfaces that you're designing for. And I think the role and scope of what a designer does is just going to continue to evolve and grow, because at its core, a designer solves problems for people. That's always going to be needed. How you do that and what tools you use is gonna continue to change. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna be enough to know how to just use Figma. You're gonna have to use all the resources available if you want to stay up to date with the industry, because I don't think companies are gonna be hiring for just a design role anymore. I think it's gonna be a lot wider than that. It's gonna involve business, it's gonna involve development, and it's gonna involve AI. If you want to learn how to do that, you can follow me. I talk about all things design, tech, and AI on my page.